Hello, kids. Have you ever wondered where rain comes from? Well, let's find out together. When the sun shines on lakes, rivers, and oceans, it warms up the water. The water slowly turns into tiny, invisible drops called water vapor and floats up into the sky. As more and more of these tiny drops rise, they come together to form big, fluffy clouds high above us. But clouds can't hold all that water forever. When they get too full and heavy, the water falls back down to earth as rain. Drip, drop, drip. Rain helps plants grow, fills rivers, and gives us fresh water to use every day. And guess what? When the sun comes out again, the whole process starts all over. That's the amazing water cycle. Science is fun. Keep exploring, little scientist.